Okay. What beats rock? Paper. It's paper. Scissors. Try. Okay, I'll try it right now. Let's see. What about a sword? It's a sword. Shield. What beats a shield? Oh my goodness. What beats shield? Axe. What beats an axe? Uh, cannot be soil. Cannot. Why don't I do soil? If I lose, I will. Can't axe soil. It's already broken down. That's what makes soil. Genius. What beats soil? Time to think outside the box. Erosion. What beats erosion? Okay. Oh.
Can you keep my toy? Friends is taking my toys.
What beats erosion? Oh my goodness. What? Soil management.
Slow hider.
If I don't win this, soil management prevents erosion. It's all part of the thing. What beats soil management? Oh my goodness. Rain. Yes!